Morning, welcome to today's vlog. I just did some fasted cardio. It's 6 a.m. It's also my birthday, so we got a birthday vlog. Just turned 22 today, and we're gonna be heading to work in about 20 minutes. So I have to down this meal, head to work, teach 3 Orange Theory fitness classes. I'll be home for 10:30 or 10:45. Then I'll have my next meal. I'm supposed to go to a friend's house, go swimming and stuff and hang out, but there's a lot of work I wanna get done, and also to train legs. So I might go train legs after work and then go over to my friend's place around 12 or like 1 p.m. But you know, stay tuned. I'll check in with you guys throughout the day, and hope you enjoy the vlog. If you enjoy the video as you're watching it, give it a thumbs up, smash that button. Feel free to subscribe for more vlogs and more informative bodybuilding content. If you have any ideas of topics you'd like me to discuss, just leave them in the comments below and I will definitely get to them. Meal 1, we got 60 grams of cream of wheat, 300 grams of egg whites. I just ran out of egg whites, so we have to get more of that. And 6 grams of coconut oil. For supplements, we got 4 grams of fish oil, a glucose disposal agent, anti-cortisol, and a thyroid boost. Just finished work, and when I was teaching the class, as soon as I finished, we were stretching, and you know, some employees, good friend of mine, came in and gave me a happy birthday cupcake with a candle in it. So I'm gonna put in the video so you can see.
I found out that the girl that makes the cakes that is in Keswick
knows me?
No.
Oh.
Is Cassandra's sister.
Cassandra who?
That used to be the manager at OTF.
Who's Cassandra's sister? Just gonna have our pre-workout meal now, heading to the gym in 1 hour. So this is what we got. We got some chicken, right? Because we have to hit our protein macros. And then we're probably gonna have this cupcake here that I got while I was at work. And I'm gonna try a bite of this chocolate covered Oreo, right? Huh? Mm-hmm. Chocolate covered Oreo.
I don't know if the actual chocolate is flavored.
Alright, so we ended up going to the beach, didn't end up working out. Didn't have the chicken either. Haven't eaten a long time. I'm not putting it in.
Yo, it's nice. It's a spicy one.
Hey, he said, I'll be right back. That's all he said.
Such a Kane thing to do.
We just got a burger, double bacon king burger. We got here. Gotta take my teeth out for it. I'm not gonna brush the teeth after.
Not you, not you.
This man's.
Grant, where were you?
You're a fucking bitch. You know that?
Oh, that's so funny.
That's what I get for trying to be nice.
What do you do,
Fucking
man?
Yo, he comes out to me, he goes, yo, can you rub the sunscreen into my back? I'm like, fuck, I don't know. He goes, just do it, dude. So I start doing it, he goes, ah, you bitch, that's sweat.
Yes. That's kind of funny. Man, look at that shit, man.
That's gangrene.
This man's got some nasty ass feet.
Where's our working feet? Where's our working feet?
Working feet.
Working feet. I work for these. I earn
Work for these stairs.
So, yay, ballers. Like boogers or not? The other side's bad.
Nah, bro. Just a little bit.
Gross.
Yo, go see them.
Which one's gross?
Wasn't that gross?
Disgusting.
Was it? Nah, she was alright.
She was nasty.
Lord, what the fuck do you expect?
No. 3 specs. Man's a sandy monster. Kane's gotta go up there. Man is this?
Dude, it's inside out and backwards.
And backwards, bitch.
And backwards.
Fuck this nigga. I'm out here.
No, it's in my bag. Oh, I think you're trying to go in my bag. I get you an opener, you leave it in the fucking bag.
This is a good song, man.
Let me listen to it.
It's Kryptonite.
That is a good song.
Kryptonite by 3 Doors Down.
That is a good song.
We out here, heading home for the day. Might have got a ticket, parked in a parking spot that wasn't even a parking spot. So we're about to find out.
I just peed over there. Just to pee in the corner. Right there. Corner, go pee in the corner.
I don't have to pee, bro.
Just me?
Yeah.
This is a good song.
Yeah, what song is that?
It's the same song.
What happened to your shirt, bro?
It's backwards and inside out. Want me to go?
He's backwards.
And inside out. Oh.
My shoes are damn dirty, bro.
Why do I look so shitty?
It's kind of banged up.
Oh. Yeah, man. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Just got back from the beach. We're gonna be having a protein bar and a drink. So this is a Red Velvet Pure Protein Bar. Just gonna be having this, drinking some liquids, and I might have a little bit more carbs. Go straight to the gym to train the legs.
There you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anthony. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you. Toot toot.
Alright, you're what?
Are you two? Are you 22?
It's all good.
It's fine. Woo! Yay!
Mom had to get a defective cake.
No, it was perfectly fine when I picked it up.
No, it's defective cake. Yeah, it had a bite of it.
No.
9:30 p.m. This is our post-workout meal and last meal of the night. We got a big steak, a couple chicken wings, and then after that, we're gonna be having a slice of cake for some carbs and fat. Cut a slice of cake. Gonna have that birthday cake. Real excited for that. My mom knows that I love birthday cake stuff, so that's what we're gonna have a slice. And then also got my birthday present here. So I got a card, a couple cards, and a gift. I'm gonna see what's inside. Oh wow. Oh, that's a nice sweater. Is it a water bottle? Yeah. Oh, a coffee mug. Yeah, coffee mug. I needed one of these. Had an awesome birthday. Went to the beach. You know, had some fun with my friends. I had an awesome leg workout, so everything was good. And that's gonna conclude today's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more vlogs and more informative bodybuilding content. If there's anything you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.